Hello, today I will be teaching you how to make homemade butter. Guys, it is so simple and easy and it has a fabulous flavor. The thing I like most about making your own butter, you can make garlic butter, pre-advanced, and you could just put it on your bread, sandwiches, or whatever you want to use it for, shrimp scampi or what have you. It's nothing like homemade. And so guys, if you stick around, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make. It's simple. You'll see me in the video using the hand mixer. I highly suggest if you have a stand mixer to use that. It's just easier. Let's get started. Okay guys, you can make this delicious homemade butter with one item. That's right, one ingredient, and it is heavy whipping cream. That's all you need. I bought a small carton of heavy whipping cream. I paid $1.89 for it, and I got butter. Now, if you like butter the way that I love butter, you know that 4 sticks of butter, honey, they're going to cost you a good $3, $4, possibly $5, $6, depending on the brand. But anyways, don't get discouraged. It is taking a little bit of time. I think it took me about 15 minutes to get this going. But as you can see, the butter is beginning to form. Yes, honey, I cannot wait. There is nothing like homemade. Now you see it forming and it's getting ready to turn into that creamy butter texture. There it is. Now guys, as I was doing this, it splashed, so I had to get 2 kitchen towels to kind of cover up the top. Make sure that whatever you're preparing it in is a deep bowl. So look at this, guys. How simple is that? 15 minutes and you have whatever flavor butter your heart desires. It's so worth the time. Trust me, the flavor is outstanding. It's phenomenal. When I'm cooking, I love flavor. Now, this is where it gets a tad bit messy, but it's worth it in the end. You're going to take your hands and just begin to sculpt the butter outside of the milk. And once you have the ball formed, you can just pick it up and begin squeezing the excess milk out of the butter. Now, what I love about making my own butter, not only have I made butter, but I've also made buttermilk. And so that's going to be good when you get ready to start frying and whatever you use buttermilk for. You'll have fresh homemade buttermilk as well. So make sure you squeeze really well. You want all of the milk outside of the butter. You want to get all the moisture out. Yes, honey, you see butter. You just witnessed how to make homemade butter, honey. And your buttermilk is ready for whatever use you have for it. See, honey, super easy. Now you have your homemade butter all ready for use. Now that you have your buttermilk prepared, you can go ahead and pour it into a jar, put saran wrap over it, and stick it in the fridge. I'm going to slice my butter. I'm getting ready to separate it. So now that I can make my garlic butter. Yes. All right, so now I'm going to add my Himalayan salt. You guys know, if you've been watching with me for a while, I love Himalayan salt. Add your herbs and your garlic, and you're just going to mix that all in thoroughly. Make sure that you have the salt, herbs, and garlic mixed all the way through. So anytime you put this over a slice of bread, honey, you get all of that goodness. See, it looks so good. Let's spread the butter. Look how smooth it goes on. Like a spread. It's so smooth, guys. It's so good. I can't wait to eat. Yummy. Just spread it over your bread or whatever you want to use it on. Okay, now that you are all finished, look at this. It looks so good. I cannot wait to dig in. Yes, I am one that loves just butter and bread. It doesn't have to be toasted, just put it over a slice of bread and just enjoy the flavors. So here you have it, less than $2. I made all of this. Okay, so 3 awesome things happened. Number 1, I made your just butter. You guys, it tastes like sweet cream butter. I don't know if you guys have ever had sweet cream butter, but it is so good. I am so big on flavors, so this is an absolute must for me. Have to do this. I have to. Unless I'm in a hurry and I don't have like 15 minutes to prepare it. So, anyways, the next fabulous thing that happened is garlic butter. I made my own butter with herbs and garlic and salt. You can put whatever seasonings, mixtures you want. And I already have it ready for when you get ready to cook or whatever you're using it for. The third great thing that happened was buttermilk. Not only did I make butter, garlic butter, but I also made buttermilk. So now that I'm finished, I'm going to put plastic wrap over my bowls and just stick them in the fridge and be ready for the next time I'm ready to use them. Okay, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. As you can see, I'm about to indulge. Until next time, guys. Bye.